Now I'm going to redo another, or not redo, but I'm going to do another example of factoring using the method I used in the previous example. I kind of started it a little bit here because I started to make a video and something went wrong, and I didn't want to redo the whole thing. So here we go. I have x squared plus 5x minus 6. So what I did is I took a, which is 1, and negative 6, which is c, and I multiplied them together, and I got negative 6. Now I want two factors of negative 6 that add up to positive 5. Two factors of negative 6 that add up to positive 5. Well, I can think of 6 times minus 1. The sum of these two is 5, and that's exactly what I want. So I'm going to rewrite this statement. X squared plus 6x minus 6. Notice that 6x plus x is positive 5. So this statement down here is exactly the same as this statement here. Now I'm going to factor by grouping. I'm going to factor out the same, or factor out what's same in the first two, which is an x, and I'm left with x plus 6. And the thing that's the same in the second two is minus 1. And I actually write it like that because it helps in understanding and helps to see the next step. I always put a plus sign in the middle, and I factor out a negative, and I factor out whatever number it is, regardless if it's 1 or not. So if I do that, notice that these match, which is what we want. Because again, what we're doing is factoring by grouping. Factor out the x plus 6. And what's left is x minus 1.